Meaning of grade school.
Grade school.
Grade school.
Grade school.
Grade school. Grade school typically refers to the first several years of formal education in the United States, encompassing grades 1 through 6 or 8. Sometimes called elementary school, it is usually where children learn the basics of reading, writing, mathematics, social studies, and science. At this level, teachers focus on developing students' literacy and numeracy skills, as well as their social and emotional development. Students learn how to work in groups, follow rules, and respect authority figures. Grade school serves as a foundation for higher education and is crucial in preparing children for academic success later in life.